Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. How many of you are interested in tech? How many of you have a digital skill here? Alright, I'm going to talk about what tech. It's very important to listen to my presentation. And those in the group that are still going to get slides on the group. So if you're not on the group, where to join the group. Alright, I'm talking about starting your tech career skill. What did I say? Starting your tech career skill. And this my presentation is not in form of teaching. It's going to be an interactive section. I'll ask you a question, you will answer. I'll ask you a question, you will answer. Alright, let me run through my table of contents. I'm talking about the 6 misconceptions about tech, reasons to have a tech career skill, tech skills that doesn't require what? Coding, steps in choosing a tech skill, and places to find free and what? Paid resources to learn. Alright, how many of you are waiting for my slides, for my questions? Alright. Number one question is this, I need your response from here. You need a computer science degree to start your tech career. Is it true of us? Is it true of us? You need a computer science degree in order to start your tech career. Is it true of us? Is it true for us? The answer is what? No. You don't need a computer science degree in order to start your tech career skill. And also, many companies doesn't require you to have a computer science skill, just like Google, Apple, and so on. Doesn't require you to have a computer science degree in order for you to work for them. Are we following? Alright, number 2 question is, my degree, these are people that have already graduated or people are still in school. My degree or diploma is not a tech or science related course, so I cannot start a tech career. Do you understand my question? In case you study political science, in case you study mass communication, it doesn't require you to you can start your tech career skill, irrespective of what the field of study you are engaged in. Are we following? Alright. I need number 2 question misconception. These are things people think about tech career skill that is absolutely wrong. That's what I'm trying to follow you through here. Number 2 question is, I need to relocate abroad, aka Java, to start a career in tech. Is it true of us? First of you, we need to locate to US or you have United States of State, in other words, to start your tech career. Is it true of us? It's absolutely false. You can start here in the State. You can start here where you are. And you can start your tech career everywhere you are, go to US or anywhere you are. I have friends that are living in Ababa, Chantikulu, Heaven, that are also into tech. Alright, this question is for girls. This question is for girls and boys. The tech community is only for the boys. Is it true of us? The tech community is only for the boys. Is it true of us? Alright, the answer is what? No. The tech community is for what? Everybody, irrespective of what? Gender. Based on statistics, 25.1 software engineers employed in the United States in the year 2021 are what? Female. 25% of software engineers employed in the United States of America in 2021 is what? Female. Girls. Learning a tech skill is very expensive. Is it true of us? is not what? Expensive. We are going to balance the equation. It is not expensive. You can find free resources well documented on YouTube and so many places. You can start to learn. Alright, number 6 question is the last one. I need to be an expert to start earning from my tech skill. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Alright, I can still recall in 2017 when I started my tech career skill. I started earning when I was working. So if you start your tech career skill today, you can start earning. You don't need to be an expert or a pro. In other words, for you to work, earn through your tech skill. Alright, many of you will be asking, what are the benefits of having a tech career skill? What are the benefits of having a tech career skill? Can someone give me anyone? Benefits of having a tech career skill? Anybody? Benefits of having a tech career skill? You can just say it out from there. Let me hear you. Alright, I'm going to list 2 benefits of having a tech career skill. Number 1 is high pay. If you have a tech career skill, it's very high pay. It pays high. Just like the cameraman here now, you pay him. And some of the things you can see here, there, you pay them. So the tech career skill, if you have a tech career skill, it's very. Alright, number 2 benefit is work flexibility. What I mean by work flexibility is that you can stay anywhere. In other words, for you to earn and learn your tech career skill. Let me just run through the benefits. You can get a slide from the WhatsApp group. Fast growing industry. These are some of the benefits of having a tech career skill. Fast growing industry, ability to start here in Nigeria and end up in outside the country, and ability to start outside the country and stay come back to Nigeria to work. And also, then one of the benefits is opportunity to contribute to making the world a better place. Just like what you are seeing here, the sound system, the amplifier, the electric bulb, the fan, and all this. These are people who engage into tech in order to develop all these things that are making the world a better place. Alright, many of you will be asking, can I actually start this career skill without writing code? Because this is one of the hardest part of tech career skill. You have to know mathematics, you have to have the ability of problem solving. So I'm going to list out a few tech career skills you can start here right now without writing code, writing HTML, CSS, PHP, Python, and so on. Number 1 is customer service. How many of you know what is customer service? Alright, few persons. Alright, you can start your tech career skill as a customer service, but you have to have the ability to withstand business questions. Once you start your career in customer service, program manager, product manager, data analyst, digital marketing, data entry, graphic design, and so on and so forth. How many of you received a physical invitation letter from us, from here? Did you receive any physical invitation letter? No, right? That's through the process of digital marketing. To send out our information, our invitation to different churches through digital marketing. Alright, many of you will be wondering, how do I actually start learning about tech skill? If you are interested in learning any of the tech skill, here now or in the future, these are some of the things you personally need to do that nobody has to do it for you. Number 1 is you have to do your research, fill up your curiosity. Fill up your curiosity. Alright. Have to go to the internet. We have Google, we have Bing, we have Ads, we have so many of the search engine platforms for you to go and search about customer service, product manager. the life of the customer service, the product manager, and so on. So you have to make your personal research before you select a tech skill for you to start learning. Then number 2 is you decide the path to take. You decide if it is offline or online. Any of the paths you can decide. Then number 3 is very, very important. Just get started. You don't need to take years in order for you to decide. Like me, I started as a graphic designer. No, I started as a computer operator. From computer operator, I went into graphic design. From graphic design, I went into coding. From coding, I have a software that is currently powering more than 700 students. I depend on the software in order to get their results. So you can all you need to do you get started. I also started a blog, Disco News. Before now, I started Disco News. I started Smart Academy, where I tutor people about tech skills, C++, Python, and so on. But as time goes on, I have to calm down and pursue other things. Then go for passion. Go for passion and be practical too. If you are going to graphic design, be passionate about it. Have the courage to withstand any temptation or any challenges you are going to face. Like sometimes I write some code from morning till 3 o'clock till 4 o'clock and still wake up in the morning and still continue my day-to-day work. Then also you have to find tools and resources online in order to start your tech career skill and also start learning. Alright, I'm going to share 7 places where you can learn any ICT skill for free if you want. For free if you want. And also they have some paid courses, so you have to make your decision. Number 1 on my list is Coursera. Coursera is an American learning management platform where you can go online, learn about business administration. One thing about Coursera and all this software that I'm going to this year is that if you have the certificate, it's an added advantage to you in the future. If you are applying for a job, you don't only apply your primary, secondary, first, even and whatever result there, you can apply your Coursera certificate. Then another one is Google. You can go to Google Business School, you can go there and learn. There are free courses there. Then you have the EDX. Then we have the Skillshare. Then we have the Alice. Then we have the Harvard MIT Open Course Wave. These are free places to learn. Then if you want to learn from an original Nigerian person, this is one of my friends based in Lagos State, you can visit akeyourskill.com. You can get free resources there, you can get paid resources there, and paid resources are less cost 3,000, 2,000, 2005, and you have unlimited access to lifetime access to it. Alright, before I drop my mic, I have to give you a personal quote or a quote that will guide you in making your decision. The quote says, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Just like the facilitator that talked about global relevance, he talked about reading books, doing all sorts of things in order for it to be valuable in society. All these things that you are doing pays. If you invest in your knowledge, in what you know, it pays for the high interest. Thank you.